Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to recover your account of Twitter or X. Open your Twitter account. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Then on your top left corner you can see a person. Click on it. Then go to Settings and Support. There you can see the option of Setting and Privacy. Click on your account, then click on Change Your Password. There you can see Forgotten Your Password. Click on it. There you can see you have to fill the following details. Enter your email, phone number or username. I'll type my username and tap on Search after done. Then they will ask how you want your verification code to be sent. I would choose my email address. Click on Next. Then your verification code will be sent in meanwhile. There you go, you've got your verification code. Now paste your verification code over here. Then click on Verify. Then enter your new password twice. Then if you want to remember your password, you can click on Remember Me. I would choose that. Then click on Reset Password. Then you can fill this query and submit. Then continue with Twitter. There you go, your password has been changed. Now you can log into your Twitter account. For more videos like this, you can like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.